Hi guys, in this tut we'll learn about how we can add YouTube link and we'll ask some question on top of it. Okay, so tut2, okay, here as usual we'll import from .env, import load .env, and from Embedchain we'll import app. Okay, and here I will create a main. Firstly I will load .env where I added my API key. After that, I will create an object of app. Once it's done, then I will add a YouTube link. Okay, now it's here. So this is the YouTube video, we have it and link of it. Then create a response for dot query. Okay, and type it here your prompt. Give me summary. Okay, and print the response. Okay, you will see the summary of the YouTube video. Okay, in some seconds. So it's creating the database, okay, vector database automatically, and now it returned the summary of the YouTube link. So this is very useful, okay, and you don't need to do anything like LangChain. It's an abstract class of LangChain indirectly, okay, and yeah. So in the next video, we'll connect Llama, okay, using Embedchain, and I'll see you there. Thank you for watching.